Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 111. And today's topic is how to add a breathing node animation in Terraform diagrams in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select the cloud architecture feature, and in the next pop-up you need to select system architecture. Why? Because in Airline Studio, to generate a Terraform diagram, it gets generated with the help of system architecture diagrams. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is a normal Terraform visualization of an infrastructure on the cloud platform such as AWS. Okay, and this diagram got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds. And same way, you can also save your zillion hours of time. So I have already enabled the animation from breathing nodes. If you want to change the size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow intensity, this would help. If you want to change the border width, you can do it through this. If you want to change the animation speed, you can do it from here. If you want to change the breathing intensity, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot size, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a breathing node animation in Airline Studio helps you highlight key elements and make your diagram more visually engaging. This is